Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we will learn 50 multiple choice question which is based on birds and animals that will test your smart. So let's proceed the video. 1. What is a group of cat called? Answer: a clover. 2. Which has the thickest fur of any mammal? Answer: sea otter. 3. The age of a lion can be determined by its answer: nose. 4. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? Answer: bats. 5. A newborn kangaroo is about the size of a answer: lima bean. 6. What is the smallest mammal in the world? Answer: bumblebee bat. 7. What animal has the highest blood pressure? Answer: giraffe. 8. How far away can a wolf smell its prey? Answer: almost 2 miles. 9. What mammal has the most powerful bite? Answer: hippopotamus. 10. Where is the only place on the body dogs have sweat gland? Answer: the pads of their paws. 11. What is a female fox called? Vixen. 12. How many teeth can a crocodile have over its lifetime? Up to 4,000. 13. What creature has a tongue that can measure the length of its body? Answer: chameleon. 14. What is a group of parrot called? Answer: a pandemonium. 15. What type of farm animal can sunburn? Answer: pig. 16. What is a male duck called? Answer: drake. 17. What is the tallest living relative to the T-Rex? Answer: chicken. 18. What male sea creature gives birth to its young? Answer: seahorse. 19. Which sea creature can change its gender? Answer: oyster. 20. What is the deadliest creature in the world? Answer: mosquito. 21. Where do sea otter store extra food on their bodies? Answer: a pocket of skin in their armpits. 22. What four common species of animal die soon after giving birth? Answer: octopus, squid, salmon, and common mayfly. 23. What type of fish made for life? Answer: angelfish. 24. Where on the body are crab test birds? Answer: its feet. 25. Which animal baby can gain up to 250 pounds per day? Answer: blue whale. 26. What is a baby hedgehog called? Answer: hoglet. 27. What percentage of a baby animals are raised by both parents? Answer: 3%. 28. People from which country brought domestic cat to the United States? Answer: England. 29. What are the only two mammals that lay eggs? Answer: spiny anteater and duck-billed platypus. 30. How many legs does a lobster have? Answer: 10. 31. What animal produces mohair? Answer: Angora goat. 32. What is a male swan called? Answer: cob. 33. Which large mammal has a tail so strong it can stand on it and lift its hind leg off the ground? Answer: kangaroo. 34. What do you call a group of crows? Answer: a murder. 35. What is the fastest sea animal? Answer: shellfish. 36. What is a polar bear skin color? Answer: black. 37. What are the only two mammals that lay eggs? Answer: duckbill platypus and spiny anteater. 38. What are 12 or more cows' skulls? Answer: a flint. 39. What is a female donkey called? Answer: Jenny. 40. What is the only big cat that does not roar? Answer: cheetah. 41. What is a group of badgers called? A seed. 42. What animal has the thickest fur of any mammal? Answer: sea otter. 43. What type of animal is a prodigious man-o-war? Answer: jellyfish. 44. Belted Galloway and Belgian Blue are breeds of which animal? Answer: cow. 45. Which bird's eye is bigger than its brain? Answer: ostrich. 46. How many species of sea urchin are there? Answer: 950. 47. What is a group of camel culls? Answer: a caravan. 48. Which aquatic mammal has the most extended lifespan? Answer: bowhead whale. 49. Which bird is considered as the fastest? Answer: peregrine falcon. 50. How many heart chambers does a cockroach have? Answer: 12. Thanks for watching the video. Friends, hope you may like the video. If you like video, then please like, comment here, and do not forget to subscribe my channel to get the latest notification.